How to make a group chat on iPhone. Now, in order for us to get this done, it's actually very simple. I want you to go ahead and open the messages here, and then from here, you can just go over and tap this one right here. After doing so, I want you to go ahead and basically type the recipient here. I'm going to go ahead and type here, say for example, just like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose this number right here, and then I can go ahead and click this one as well in order for me to have more options. So from here, I can basically scroll down and be able to choose the recipient. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and choose, for example, this particular account right here, this particular recipient right here, and then type the message down here. So I'm going to go ahead and type hi. By the way, everybody, you can go ahead and basically put more recipient here for them to be part of the group. But after doing so, you can just go ahead and type the send button right here, and then you can go ahead and click this one here at the top. Now, if say for example you are using a newer version of the iOS, you should be able to change the group photo here as well as the name of the group. In my iOS version though, that is still not available, so I can't basically put it here. But then again, go ahead and tap done here, and congratulations everybody, that is how you are going to make a group chat here on iPhone.